Shari Romer, owner and stylist at Mystique Salon and Spa. I built Mystique Salon and Spa about 2 years ago, originally in Bixby, where we were just a small little salon with a huge concept. We outgrew our salon and I had to relocate to 9999 South Mingo Road in Tulsa, where I was able to create and develop a fantastic 3,000 square foot day spa with fantastic customer service, great new technology, and an amazing staff. We are a staff of 22. We have 8 hairdressers, we have 2 nail techs, an esthetician, and 2 fantastic massage therapists. If your appearance isn't becoming to you, you should be coming to us.